Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a 5 off of 25 Saturday. Yes, a 5 off of 25 Saturday. All right, y'all. Went to my regular store. I didn't go this morning. I just didn't feel like getting up, y'all. I was just so tired. I just did not feel like getting up. I was like, I will go later on, and bring it to my people, my family, okay? So I went ahead, stirred around, cleaned up a little bit, and then I put on my clothes and went on out. But the store, oh my goodness, I'm sorry, y'all. The store that I went to, I don't know what's going on with that. Y'all, it's the regular store that I always go to on Saturday mornings. I don't know what's going on. The manager there, she just seemed like she just don't care. She just got the bins out in the aisle. She don't care about nothing. And I'm like, oh my God. I think she really don't even want to be there. But anywho, I'm going to go ahead and get off my soapbox about that. And let's go ahead and get to this video. So, the first thing I got was this Old Spice Swagger body wash. They are $5. There is a $3 off of one digital coupon that did attach. I seen another digital coupon on there, but I'm thinking it was saying that you had to buy the deodorant too. Because it does scan for the $5, but I'm thinking you had to buy the deodorant also. I'm not for sure, because I tried to actually do it in the earlier this week, and it only came off of one. The other $3 wouldn't even come off. So I was like, that's fine. So the next thing I got was the Crest Scope mouthwash. They are $1 in the trial size. They are $1 and they are $1 in the trial size, trial owl. And there is a 50 cents off digital coupon that did attach, okay? The next thing is the Fabuloso. The Fabuloso liquid, when you buy the liquid and there is a digital coupon, you have to buy the liquid and the disinfectant wipes. The liquid is $3.35. The Fabuloso disinfectant wipes are $2 and I believe they are 95 cents. Let's see, $2.65. There is a digital coupon, so you have to buy this one to get this one free, okay? And they do come in different. The liquid comes in about 3 or 4 different colors of the scent. And then I only seen 2 of the wipes, which is the purple and it's like a yellow orange color, I guess, color on there, okay? The next thing are these Wick warmers. They are a little nicer warmers that they have. They are $2. I had $1.95 off digital coupon that did attach, and I was so happy on that. The next thing is these Clorox Triple Action 3-pack. You can find these in the dollar aisle. They are $1, and there is a 50 cents off digital coupon that did attach. The next thing is these Febreze Unstoppable Touch fabric sprays. Y'all, they are so good. They a little pricey. They are $5, but I didn't really have to get this for my 5 off of 25, but I knew I needed one. I needed some in my stockpile because I have none. And I usually spray these on my bed, on my curtains, and then on my couch, the fabrics or whatever, because it's like I said, it's a fabric spray. So you just make sure that you shake it and then spray it. And then, the little scent will come out. They have different little scent, but this is the Breeze. So I think I've had this one before, but I'm not for sure. I can't remember. But I did get this. This is $5. There is I believe it was a $2 off digital coupon that did attach to this. Let me double check. Yes, it was a $2 off digital coupon that attached. The next thing is the Arm & Hammer Clean Sensation. These in-wash scent boosters. This is in the clean metal. I actually was looking for the packs, the Arm & Hammer packs, but they didn't have any. I told you the store is a mess. And I went ahead and purchased these. These are, let's see, the Arm & Hammer are $3.75. There is a $1 off digital coupon that did attach. The next thing are these Nitro Pepsis, okay? Yeah, this vanilla draft cola is the bomb. I love it because I love vanilla, so I love that. Now, this Nitro Pepsi, just the draft cola, I never tried that, but I said that when I go back again, I was going to try the blue one. So I'm going to try that today. And then the next time I do a video, I'll let y'all know if they are good, if the Nitro Pepsi, the blue one, is good. Now, I already know the Nitro Vanilla is good. So I'm going to let y'all know if it's Nitro Pepsi is good, okay? So then the last thing I got are these 3 cards, okay? Y'all know every time they have cards, you always want to get it because I've started to send my grandkids out of town and my son and my daughter-in-law, sending them, you know, cards, okay? Because I'm like, ain't no sense to me buying them if I'm not using them. So I've been sending them every time their birthday or whatever. I always send them a card. So this one right here, it says, happy birthday to my sister. And I think this is so cute. Look at that. So cute. Then the next one is, happy birthday, dear friend. I think that is so cute. And then the last thing is, happy birthday, daughter-in-law, who's special. And she is really special. My daughter-in-law is so special. Not the crazy special, but, you know, she's special. Yeah. But this right here is my Dollar General haul. So let me tell you how much I spent. Y'all, my subtotal, y'all know how I do. I could have got this lower out of pocket. But y'all know when I see I have coupons and stuff is on sale or they have it in stock, I go ahead and use it. So my subtotal is $9.15. Can't beat that. Look at all the stuff that I got. $9.15 for all of this. Not bad. So let me show you my receipt. There is the Old Spice, the Arm & Hammer, the Crest mouthwash, the Wick, the Febreze. There is the 3 cards. There's the Fabuloso wipes. There's the Fabuloso liquid. Let's see. Hold on. I'm sorry, y'all. There is the Clorox, the little 3-pack. There's the Pepsi. Told y'all there is the train. So you see it says $9.15. You know everybody's taxes is different. Look at my total savings. $20.10. I could have gotten it a little lower, like I said. And then here is a 5 off of 25 for Saturday. But y'all know when I go in the stores, I get to putting stuff in my basket. Sometimes I'll be like, forget it. I'm just going to take, you know, go with it, pay for it, and keep it going. You know, I could have got it real low out of pocket, but it is what it is. So this right here is my Dollar General haul. Just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by Miss London's channel.